Hi, we're here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We just got here from Disney Springs. Took the bus over here. It was a little bit of a ride. This seems like this is the longer of the resorts. Yeah, we're gonna go take a peek and look at some animals and see the updates on the pool. So they were working on the pool when we came here back in November. So I want to see what it looks like now.
Take a video.
Smells like we're in the Jambo house. So this is the entrance to the Jambo house.
Are we gonna be able to check?
I got some cool artifacts right here. Neat stuff like this. This is, I guess, male and female couple lobby people. Looks like it's made out of some sort of wood. And then we have these cool lights.
Chandeliers.
Kind of looks like Avatar kind of vibe. It's really nice.
Jamie.
This one has a really small neck, I've noticed. And apparently that is a beaded bird headdress. That's in case you want to be a little bit taller. Just put that on. And then you gain about that 2 feet that you need. And I think at nighttime they light those on fire, it looks like. Could be wrong. This over here is the check-in, which we will not be doing today. This looks like some more mask, headdress type thing. And that guy looks like me when I wake up in the morning. And
What? And that one looks like me.
that one looks like Veronica. Still don't know what it is. They look like worry dolls, like very large worry dolls. You don't know what worry dolls are, they're these little tiny dolls that you put underneath your pillow to take your worries away. I think they're from, the ones I have are from Guatemala, I believe.
Whoa.
Neat little staircase. They got these cool, gnarly, looks like trees and vines growing up here. Let's take a little trip outside. A little cool today. It's like 60 degrees. Hopefully the animals will be moving around. Over here I think they have a fire pit. they use maybe for s'mores at night. I don't know. Yeah, well, I get that thing going pretty big. And then you do a little dance when you hear the music. So yeah, up there are the rooms that you can rent, and looking down as you sit out and have your coffee in the morning and watch some giraffes and birds and all kinds of other animals that they have. This is just showing you where we are. We just walked out of there. It's the back of the Not sure exactly what it is. Kind of looks like some sort of vulture. Oh, but I think he just said no. But yeah. Really large though. He's probably the size of a medium-sized dog. Pretty neat looking. I think he might be cold because it is a little cool today, so I think he's just content on hanging out. They also got some really cool plants here that are all around. These kind of look like, I forget what they're called, like bell flowers or something like that, kind of resemble bells. That going on. They got these nice little blue flowers up here. I really like plants, so I always pay attention to this kind of stuff. This is a gorgeous looking flower. So just a neat environment. Yeah, you know, they got the big plants over there. First floor, we're gonna go check out the pool. Nice little tiny like waterfall. Cool atmospheric feel. Oh, the fancy word. Oh, some wind blowing. Yep, looks like it. Yeah. So it's a pretty nice big pool though. Got some rooms up there. Oh, looks like they got a nice little waterfall over there. Very cool. Seems very, very big here. This is a big pool. It kind of has that feel of like a little pond. Looks like you can walk in over there. And I'm amazed that people are swimming today. I know the pools are heated, but it's a little cool today for Florida, especially. Alright, right now we're checking out the Bama restaurant. That's the pricing on it. I don't believe they're open right now. Looks like they open for dinner at 5 to 9:30. But nice, nicely themed. Got these cool little lights hanging. And then back there, I don't know if you can see it, they got like a rotating type oven, almost like a chicken rotisserie type thing. Not sure what they cook there, but
Yeah.
looks pretty awesome. Maybe one time we'll come. Now we'll go upstairs. And this is the shop they have, the gift shop. They got cool, I think these are made out of wood. Let me back it up a little bit. Oh, and then they got my favorite animal of all time, the elephant. They got a little baby elephant, which I don't know. No. Unfortunately, those are not for sale. They're not selling those. That's just part of the display. But they do have a whole bunch of giraffes, which they're cool, but they're not my favorite. And then they got, oh, these are pretty cool over here. I want to say they're eggs, I guess. Cool. That's neat. Kind of reminds me of The Lion King. These shirts here, Live the Safari Life. With an elephant. That's actually pretty nice. And then they have these. The Rainmaker, in case you come to Florida and it's not summertime. It can sound like rain. And then they got these over here. Little baby rattle type thing. And they got these things which I can't stand. I don't like the beaded jewelry, but I'm sure it takes a lot of time to do that kind of stuff. I just don't particularly like it, but alright, so we're gonna try this on, I think. So I can look outdoorsy. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, that feels good. Feels good. I feel like I'm on the African safari already. What up? Get this out.
What else? What else
Well,
you need?
let's see. Well, we got that, or it's gonna look like this. Going to the safari. And if I want to get a little on my feminine side, with that. Nice. Yeah, but I'm not going to try that on. 'Cause it's just not my color. And I think that's going to wrap it up here at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Not yet, you need to try it out.
I'm sorry, I lied. I'll put that on you. Right here. So that's going to do it here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And we'll meet you over to Disney Springs, where maybe we might get a snack. I don't know. We'll see.